Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, students, and just look here. Our today's topic is Lexis lesson 1 and 2 reading down. Okay, that means Lexis Smart Grammar Book. This book. So let's start our class, students. Just look. This is lesson 1. And the chapter's name is the alphabet. We all know that in English there are 26 letters and these letters are called the alphabets. Just read and learn. This is the picture of the caterpillar. Hi, my name is Wiggles, the alphabet caterpillar. The alphabet is a set of letters that we use to make words. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters, all having their own phonic sounds. These 26 letters are arranged in a fixed order called the alphabetical order or ABC order. So now the alphabetical order: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We can write the letters of the alphabet in two forms. The first one is a capital letter and the second one is the small letter. Okay, so these are the capital letters and these are the small letters. Now students, we will learn where we have to use the capital letters. That means the uses of capital letters. We can use a capital letter for, so the first rule is the first letter in a sentence always begins with a capital letter. For example, the bird is singing. Just look here. T is capital here as this is the first letter of this sentence. So here T is capital. Now go to the next page, students. Now the second rule is the word I always begins with a capital letters when I is used as a word. Dad and I are playing cricket. This is the example. That means where I is used as a word, then this I should be capital. Now the next rule is names of people always begin with a capital letter. Like Rohim, Rohim is the name of a person, so here R is capital. Roshid, R is capital. Daud, D is capital. Kashpia, K is capital. Here. Names of places, so names of places always begin with a capital letter. Like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, China. So just look at it. In Bangladesh's B is capital, India's I is capital, Pakistan's P is capital, China's C is capital here. Names of the days of the week always begin with a capital letter. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The first letter is capital here. Just see. The next point is name of the months of the year always begin with a capital letter. Like January, February, March, April, May. The first letter is capital here. Now the worksheet. Fill in the missing capital or small letters in these boxes. Students, just look here. We have to fill in the boxes where the capital letter is given, then we have to write the small letter, and if the small letter is given, we have to write the capital letter. Just look, the first one is capital letter and the second one is small letter. So here A, small letter B is given here, so we have to write here capital letter B. C is given here, we have to write small letter C. D, small letter D, capital E, small letter. We have to write a capital F as the small letter F is given here. Capital G is given here. We have to write small g. Small letter H, we have to write here capital H. Small letter I, we have to write capital letter I. Small letter J, we have to write capital J. Capital K, we have to write small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small n. Capital N, small n. Small o is here, so we have to write here capital O. Capital P, small p. Small q, we have to write here capital Q. Capital letter R, we have to write here small letter R. S small here, we have to write here capital letter S. T is a small letter, we have to write here T capital letter. U is capital letter here, we have to write here small letter U. This is small letter V, we have to write here capital letter V. Capital W, we have to write here small letter W. Okay, this is, it will be small letter. Small letter H, we have to write here capital X. Small letter, sorry, capital letter Y is given here, we have to write the small letter Y. Small letter Z, we have to write here capital letter Z. Okay students, now go to the next lesson. This is lesson 2, the alphabet page. Okay, that means we have to learn some words with each letter. At first read and learn. A for ant, alligator. B for baby, bat. C for cat, cow. D for drum, duck. E for elephant, eye. F for fish, frog. G for goose, girl. H for horse, house. I for ice, igloo. J for joker, jelly. K for king, kettle. L for lion, lamb. M for mango, mat. N for nose, nurse. O for orange, owl. P for pan, pineapple. Q for queen, quill. R for rabbit, rainbow. S for sun, snail. T for teddy, tree. U for umbrella, urn. V for bus, van. W for whale, watch. X for Xmas tree or the Christmas tree and xylophone. Y for yak, yo-yo. Z for zip and zebra. Now we will learn only exercise A. Match the letters and pictures. So here this is A. Just look, some letters are here and some pictures are also here. We have to match the letters and pictures. At first just look, this is A. A for apple. So we have to match this. C for cat. F for fish. K for kite. And I for ice cream. Now go to the next one. J, L, Q, R, S, N. So here are the pictures: queen, rose, jug, mango, lion, snake. So at first J for jug, we have to match it. L for lion, we have to match it. Q for queen, R for rose, S for snake, M for mango. Now go to the next page. Here also the same thing. O, T, P, B, T, E. And these are the pictures of peas, baby, doctor, orange, egg, tortoise. So at first O for orange. T for what? T for tortoise. P for peas. B for baby. D for doctor, and E for egg. And just look here, these are the letters G, W, N, U, Z, H. And these are the pictures of a window, umbrella, girl, horse, nut, and zoo. So at first, G for girl, W for window, N for nut, U for umbrella, Z for zoo, and H for horse. Now go to the next page, students. This is X, Y, and V. And here the pictures of vase, Xmas tree or Christmas tree, and this is yo-yo. So X for here, Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, and V for vase. Okay, students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.